guys, we'll have a quick look at 1AM Freestyle by Joji. This is a no capo version. I have covered the full album already, so be sure to check out my channel playlist for more details. Now for the song, I'll straight away dive into the lesson. Grab a plectrum, make sure your guitar is in the stance tuning. We have the first chord, which is basically a G sharp major 7. I'm using this version. Having D6, G5, B4, E3. So I'll start off like this. I'll play D, G, B, then high E string 6th fret. So we got 6, 5, 4, 6. Then third fret on the high E string. And then I'll have a F minor chord, which is basically barring the first frets of D, G, B, E. Then I'll hit third fret on the high E string. Then high E string 1st fret. Then I'll play like a D major shape, 1 fret up, which is popularly known as D sharp major, mute mute, 5 on D, 3rd fret on E and B, 4th fret on G. And then I'll do a slide like this. Now this is a G major chord. I have 3rd fret on B, 4th fret on G, 5th fret on D. I'll only focus on hitting the D, G, B string, 1 fret up, which is a G sharp, and back to G. I'll hit D, G, B, so 5, 4, 3 respectively. So we got, sorry, that's the progression. That's the whole song. If you have any doubt regarding any of the parts, please let me know. Make sure you guys subscribe for more lessons like this. I'll see you guys back in the next video. Bye.